Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add elements on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. So after opening it, here is an option. You can see here, open editor, click on that. And for adding elements, here on the left, you can see here menu options, and here is an option. You can see here elements, click on that. And from here, you can just choose the element that you wanted. After choosing the element, click on that. Then you can see that you had been added an element on Picsart. Like that, you can add the elements that you wanted. And if you want to change the color, then here is an option. You can see here fill, click on that. And from here, you can just change the color by selecting the color that you wanted. And you can see that you had been changed the color of the element here. So this is how you can add an element on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.